Silence is power. Here are 7 reasons why being silent will get you everything in life. 1. You gain control. When you don't speak, you control the situation, your thoughts, your responses. 2. You listen more. Silence makes you a better listener, and that's where true understanding comes from. 3. You become unpredictable. People can't read you when you don't give away your next move. 4. You avoid conflict less. Talking means fewer chances to say something you'll regret. 5. You earn respect. People respect those who speak less but act with intention. 6. You observe clearly. Silence allows you to see what others are really doing, not just what they say. 7. You build mystery. When you speak less, people are drawn to discover more about you. If this resonated with you, subscribe to the Stoic Verse for more wisdom to guide your journey.